Okay, part two of the padlock box of fun. The first padlock that we opened, if you recall, was the Eagle. Cute little thing that ate one of my tension wrenches, although it did come open, so we got an open, that's good. Our next lock, which will come at random out of this box, is a solid super lock brass with no other identifying marks on it. It appears to be a, what's it called? Fucking hell, warded lock. Alright, so let's get that focused up there. Now, let's just take a closer look at it. And, yeah, I'm going to call that warded. I don't feel anything that feels like a tumbler in there. We'll grab our trusty Southord Chinese picks, and we grab the big one, and we stick it in, and wow. Alright. So if you have a solid super lock brass padlock protecting anything that you care about, and you have anybody that is capable of making a T-shaped piece of metal approximately like that, get a different lock. Okay, that was too easy. Let's do another one. Next lock. Oh boy, this one's big. What is this? Made in the USA. This is a Slaymaker Rustless. Let's zoom in on that puppy. That's a pretty lock right there. It looks really, look at the detail on that. Rustless, I think it's rustless because it's possibly made out of aluminum. Not that that's a bad thing necessarily, but I don't see my magnet. Don't know where it went. But anyhow, there we go. And it is also appears to be warded. So this may be another very fast open. So, yep. And if all things go according to plan, there it is, open. Okay, well, so if you have one of these, yeah. All right, one more. Let's see, where are we at? 2 minutes, jeez. There's got to be something worse in here. Okay, this is going to be more complicated. This is another Eagle, but this is a US set. Terryville, Connecticut, made in the USA. Nothing there. It has TCLRE stamped on it, and it appears to be a pin tumbler, and there's a very small F there. No idea what that means, but I think it means fucking open me. Give this a little bit of a turn, not much motion there. Give it a little check, see how the it doesn't feel too grungy in there, but avert your eyes if you're German. Avert them. Warning, warning. I mean, these locks literally came in today in the mail, so I've not done anything with them. I didn't even really look into the box that much, just other than to see that it was a bunch of random locks. Gotten to the point I sometimes don't even remember what the hell I ordered off of eBay. So here we go. Let's see if this one is any harder. This is my Peterson. Is that open? No. I've hit a spool here. I've got a little bit of a set. I don't know if it's false or not.
Next train coming down. You won't see my face anymore. I'm leaving this old town. There ain't no rhyme or reason for hanging around today. On the next train coming, I'll be on my way.
Let's see if it's vulnerable to a bypass. Well, if you can't open it with a pick, like use a Bogota and not have to go through all that stammering to get there. So we're back to going clockwise on this. And to be honest, this just doesn't feel right going clockwise. So let's try counterclockwise Bogota. What the hell? Oh, let me get my counterclock. I'm just kidding. I was gonna joke that I needed to go get my counterclockwise Bogota. No. It's like if you want to cut a left-hand threaded hole, you have to use a left-handed drill bit. Ever heard that one? Probably not, because it's bullshit. But. And the fact of the matter is that most padlocks in general open clockwise. Probably because they're designed by right-handed people. Well, I'm here with this Eagle US set padlock that I started picking in a previous video and embarrassingly can't yet get open.
On the next train coming.
Well, that's just not opening for me. This might be shimmable, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get a shim in there. Okay. So... I don't even know if I have a snowball's chance in hell of getting this shimmed, but... Whatever it was, it pushed my shim back out. It's probably a sign that I'm on the detainer mechanism. There it is. Okay. That would be shim to open this Eagle lock, which I will put aside because I have not picked it, but I was able to shim it. It has a very, very stiff spring on the bolt, and for all I know, it may be rusted or something, so it may not even open. But there we go. US set Eagle padlock shimmed open. I'll call that not a full win, but a half. I'll give myself a half a point for that one. Anyway, this is Alex. Have fun, and please keep it legal. Cheers.